In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your content marketing goals to get the most out of every social media platform that you're on. But before I do, I'd be so honored if you'd hit that like or subscribe button. Hey there, Heather here. I've been running a small business for the last 4 years, and one of the things that has helped me grow Holloway Media Services into what it is today has been using content marketing strategies, which might be something that you're looking to get into as well. So in this video, I'm going to give you some quick tips on how to set up your own success story by sharing the 3 must-have content marketing goals every business needs. All right, so when you're in the process of creating original content to grow your business online, it can be super tempting to just wing it because most oftentimes people that we work with, they lack strategy. But if you truly want to have your content resonate with your audience and stand out from other brands on a very crowded internet, implement these designed for maximum audience engagement goals. Okay, so the first goal you want with your content marketing is attraction. We want to attract people that don't know us yet. So with these posts, you want to introduce yourself. You want to show your future fans what your company and you are all about. You want to share high-level brand education content like why you're important, why you do what you do. You want to talk about the brand founder or founders and who they are. You want to share stories about your brand values. Introduce your products through easy to understand educational content and share the benefits of your product or service. Your second content marketing goal is to get your audience to consider you in their buying process. This content is for people who either follow you or know you or have heard of you, but they haven't made a purchase yet. For example, let's say you want some coffee, all right? So you want some coffee in the morning, but you don't have any at home and you don't have any at work. Maybe you'll stop by Dunkin' Donuts on your way into town because you're familiar with the brand and you know that they offer coffee. That fills your need, right? So you'll consider purchasing from them. Same thing here with consideration content. So you want to make sure to align with your customers' values and ideals. You want to share how-to videos, customer testimonials. You want to share reviews of your product or your service. And answering frequently asked questions is super important too because that combats any resistance to purchasing from you. Share user-generated content, which doesn't have to be in the form of a photo or a video. UGC here can come from polling your audience and finding what their stories are and what their responses are. That can become ideas for even more content. And finally, to round out your content marketing goals, the third goal that you want to have and to achieve the greatest possible success is you want to focus on conversion and loyalty content for people who already purchased from you or already has worked with you in some capacity. So here we ask your followers to become repeat buyers or advocates of your brand in some other way. You'll notice some overlap here with this type of content. Again, you're going to want to share customer testimonials, reviews, how-tos of your products and service. Find out from your customer service team or your social media team what questions are being asked after somebody has purchased your product or somebody has worked with you with your service. Share those answers to those questions in video form. Also share UGC in video form as well. And share call to actions across your platform. So in other words, use email to promote your social. Use one social platform to promote other social platforms, and so on. No matter what type of content you're trying to produce, try to be entertaining. From a psychological standpoint, if you can make somebody laugh, they'll like you because humans find laughter highly attractive. So when you can, don't take yourself too seriously and add some humor. Have some fun. Your content marketing strategy is only as good as your goals. So if you need some inspiration or guidance on what type of post to publish next and where and how, let us know. With a little support from us, we'll work together to turn those 3 goals into reality so you can grow your business with less effort than ever before. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this valuable, please let us know in the comments.